What's up guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do an EB side swing. So grab your rope and let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for doing this 3-minute tutorial on how to do an EB side swing. Alright, let's get started right away. So first thing, you want to make sure that you have your basic bounce down and that you can do a side swing. All right, to do an EB, it's really important that you have this momentum and rhythm down so you're able to get enough momentum to jump through the rope on the side, okay? So if you have your side swing down, we're gonna work on first doing an EB side swing without actually jumping through the rope, all right? So you're gonna wanna pick your right or your left side. One of them is gonna be a little more dominant, so focus on that one, and once you master that, then you can switch to the other side, okay? So for this tutorial, I'm gonna focus it on my, we'll say, right side. I can do either or, so yeah, all right, so if you are swinging to the right, then you are gonna put your right hand behind your back, just like this, okay? And if you're swinging to the left, you're gonna put your left arm behind your back, okay? It's just gonna go just like this, and your right arm's gonna stay and go in the same rhythm as it would if you were side swinging, okay? So we're first just gonna focus on getting this rhythm down. So it's gonna be side swing, bring the arm behind your back, okay? So swing, bring the arm behind your back. All right, so get this motion down, just like this. So swoop, and bring it behind your back. I'll do it in slow motion. And I'll do it in the back slow motion. Okay, just like that. Once you have this motion down, you are ready to jump through it, okay? So once we get in this position, all it is just gonna be a swipe with the rope through the side and back up, okay? So you're gonna do side swing, arm behind your back, and then you're going to jump through it, okay? So just do it in kind of pieces like that. So side swing, arm behind your back. Your rope's gonna be just like this. You wanna make sure the loop is big enough to jump through, and you're just gonna swipe it through the side, all right? So side swing, arm behind back, and swipe it through the side, okay? Just like that, all right? And then once you get this motion down, then it's gonna be really easy to jump through it, all right? And then you can focus on doing it on both sides. So, just like this. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments below, or if there's any other tricks you'd like to learn. I'm here for you. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you subscribe below and join me.